So if we get into PV specifically, I mentioned product and performance. So there you're talking about the product, just was it manufactured properly, right? Is the frame straight? The glass is uncracked? All the connections, the solder connections are solid. Everything works electrically. But then you get into performance, and all modules will have kind of a detailed, the first year you can expect X amount of drop in output as the panel burns in, I guess is a way to think about it, right? You first fire it up and start running it, it's going to lose some of its efficiency in the first year. After that, it settles in and it has sort of a very low slope, long degradation over time. And so the warranties will say something like it's a 25-year performance warranty with a output of at least 84% of the original watt class on the nameplate rating after 25 years. And what that means in practice is that module is going to keep on producing electricity for many, many years. We've heard about some of the initial early solar pioneers that installed modules in the 70s and 80s, and those things are still making power, right? They didn't make a lot of power in the early days, and they still aren't making a lot of power, but they do still make some power. So the warranty has to differentiate between, yes, it still works, versus no, it's not working the way it was designed to work. Right. And if an entire string of cells somehow fails, that would be a defect, but it would come under the performance warranty because it would be measurable as it's only been 5 years and this thing is only producing 66% of its rated power. So that's a performance warranty claim issue. So that's a lot of detail on modules, but that's kind of how they break down. On the product side, some of the larger global and US manufactured brands have gone to a 25-year product, 25-year performance. And then in some cases, we see 30-year performance, or in the case of Maxeon, SunPower, maybe even up to 40 years. So pretty extreme. And again, what does that tell you about the manufacturer confidence in their product? They think they're building the best quality product, and they believe it's going to last longer than their competitors. And hopefully they're charging more to kind of be in line with that value that they think they're creating in that product.